Hello, welcome to Retail Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to print product barcodes. So this can be printed on an A4 sheet with a sticky back labels. So if you know the labels, you can there are few variants that you can print on Amazon. So we'll just walk you through how to do that. And this option, it's solely available for FBA items, and we are talking about FNSKU, not the normal barcode. So if you have any commingled issue with FBA inventory, then you have to use Amazon's barcode. So once you have logged into your Seller Central account, you can either filter it by manage FBA inventory, or you can just select from the inventory the product that you want to print. So from the drop down, what you have to do, expand it, and there will be an option to print item labels. Click on it, and you will get an option. There will be a drop down again. So there are a lot of different sizes. So it's Amazon have given a lot of flexibility on this side. So the one I'm planning to print is the one with 27 labels per A4 sheet, and I have a size as well mentioned here. So this is the sheet. So you can see how it looks like after printing. So you can buy it quite cheap. If you have a normal printer, this is the best way forward. Um, so you can buy this paper. So the size matches, and it's 27 per sheet. So what you have to do, you have to select that option, and as it is 27 labels, you have to put the quantity as 27, and then click print item labels. A pop-up will come saying that you have to cover the barcodes. Don't show the original barcode, manufacturer barcode, that need to be covered, and this sticker need to go on top of that if you are using them for FBA labels. So click OK, and you will get the PDF. So we'll just open the PDF. So this is how the barcodes looks like. So there will be the ASIN and the title as well. So which is quite nice. You can see from the barcode if you have a lot of products by reading the title. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind when printing, make sure there is no headers and footers. So that need to be unticked, and just print it. That's about it. So that's how you print label on Amazon. I hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.